All right, welcome to our first Taiwan part of our video. This video will go through our first night, our travel and our first night. How you doing, Michelle?
Doing good, doing the final packing.
How many days is this packing for?
110 days. Think I got it?
I hope so. We got this. You got this. Did it fit?
It all fit with room to spare.
Wahoo!
Guess I get to bring home souvenirs.
I'm already recording. You ready?
I think so. My brain still hasn't quite comprehended that I've left. Too many things. I'm still thinking, did I pay all my bills? Is there anything else I need to take?
Good morning, everybody. Today is
May. Nope.
You got this.
It's already May. Nope, January 15th.
You guys ready for an adventure? In Salt Lake City Airport. We had to get here about, it said 3 hours early. We got here about 2 hours and 40 minutes early because we didn't have
Our boarding pass.
Yeah, it wouldn't let us check in because we didn't book a round trip. We booked one ways, and so they needed to make sure they knew when we were coming back. And they said, when you come back to the country, Michelle said May 6th. That's not what they wanted. They wanted to know when we'd leave Taiwan. So we're leaving Taiwan February 14th, as you guys probably, those who are following us know. But yeah, so they won't let us check in. Everybody complains about the Salt Lake International Airport because of how big the terminal is and how far you have to walk, but ours is actually right here, right at the entrance.
Probably the closest
Yeah,
one.
and one of the closest gates to it. So we're just sitting here in the main lounge, just kind of chilling. We're getting our eSIM bot, so we have access to cell phones when we land in Taiwan. We have a layover in Seattle. It's supposed to be about a 3-hour layover. So it's just a long day of travel, and we'll check in soon. Maybe get some pictures of the flight or something. I don't know.
Check out the view from the window.
Any thoughts, Michelle, for the first?
I'm ready to go sit on the plane and be forced to do nothing.
Yeah.
I'm a little tired.
Yeah, that's fair. I just started coughing a little bit last night. I was hoping it was just allergies to the cats, but this morning woke up with a little scratchy voice, and I think it's mostly exhaustion, right? We've been running so hard. Had to drop off our truck and all those kind of things, so we've just been busy getting ready to go. There you go. Quick.
So my brain still hasn't shut down, even though we've already had one of our flights. It's still thinking, did I take care of it?
Okay, everybody say hi. Wave. Say Taipei's number one. Taipei 传教最好的台北。Flying on a budget, gourmet lunch. What do we got?
Yummy jerky and Ritz crackers.
You got this. Here we go.
Welcome to our cozy nest for the first week in Taiwan. Come check it out. We have the entryway. We have our restroom that has shower, sink, toilet.
Give you perspective. There's the toilet. There's the hot water heater. there's the shower. That is all there is to it. Okay,
Then keep walking in.
Yep.
We have the bedroom slash living room slash laundry room slash kitchen. All mixed into one.
Yep, it's all here. So the question is, Michelle, do you want to go find something to eat? Do you want to stop for the night? What do you want to do?
We're here. We might as well walk around a little bit.
Okay.
Even though it's almost 11:30 at night, we've been up for 26 hours.
Nice slept.
Oh, good.
First time you're in Taiwan, what did you notice, Michelle?
Lots of scooters. They're everywhere.
I missed him. I was filming the ground. Just strolling our first night out here in Taiwan. Trying to figure out what we're doing right. Trying to decide if we want to eat this late. Feels like it's kind of late to eat. So we're gonna go back, just crash for the night. Start. What?
If you want to go get some water.
Yeah, we can go get some water. Yeah. I don't know where. We're just going to 7-Eleven. There's a 7-Eleven. Coming to the 7-Eleven with me?
Yeah.
So you know what I was thinking? I think that I needed a place to store my shoes when we're like up at the cabin.
Where did you think you'd put them?
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe on top of an AC unit?
That's a really good idea. Do we have one up there?
Other people's shoes up there?
Yep.
Another idea is to put them. Or you just put them at your front door.
Oops. Hi. Is that what I meant to do?
Or you can just store your shoes in the front of the house. Doing a total American thing today. I got sandals and we're just running to breakfast as quick as we can before we come home and shower. So the big adventure this morning is to take you guys out to get some mantos and Don Bean.
Sorry.
The big adventure today is we're going to go find us some breakfast. How do you say it in Chinese, honey?
Breakfast.
No.
I
Good
don't
job.
know.
Wow, your Chinese is amazing.
Or Montos.
Manto. We're going to
Okay.
go try and find a manto jadon, which means a manto is just a steamed bun. Jadon is where they cut it open and put an egg inside. Michelle and I really enjoy that.
Yeah, they're really good.
And then a don bean. I think
Is that the egg tortilla?
Yeah. No, it's not quite an egg tortilla.
Well-
What do you call it that? The scallop pancake with egg on there. And then I'm gonna go find some cold medicine. I got a cold on flight, so my voice is a little bit interesting. So thanks for joining us on this fun adventure. Inside the elevator, they've got things to protect it. For those aren't used to city living, this is they're moving somebody in or out, so they have a bunch of this in. But we're just gonna let you walk around with us, shoot some film. Oh. That down. Thank you. They run out there. Go, go. Oh. Yay, we made it. So back when I was a missionary here, the places weren't as nice, and as you can tell kind of over here in the corner, you can see those stairs probably go up to their house or an apartment up there. But yeah, so we ordered ourselves 2 Montos with eggs and the dumpling, and then some ojang, which is just basically hot soybean drink. That'll be for ojang. But yeah, so you find a place you like. This is our first time here in this area, so we don't know how good it'll be. Ojang, what do you think?
Kind of tastes like postum, if you've ever had postum before. That's what it kind of reminds me of.
Now in our house, if you're eating Chinese food, you talk with your mouth open, or with your mouth full of food. It's hard to talk without your mouth open. But yeah, that's one of the rules. If you're eating Chinese food, you can follow the food in your mouth and break it in your nose. Get used to what I do.
So what's your review of the brown one?
I think the white one's just a little bit more sticky, maybe. Or it's just the way they steamed it. It's still really good. I can't taste it. But thumbs up on the Monto. 2 thumbs up on the Monto, and I really like it. When I first got here, I hated this stuff. Now, I enjoy it. It's not something I drink 2 or 3 times a day, but once a day for breakfast I do it.
Back home, I just call it an egg tortilla.
So, show what your review.
It's very good. Did you say it's not a tortilla? What is it really?
Traditionally, they were scallop pancakes. That's how they made them. I throw a little bit of hot sauce on mine, but we spent about $5.50 for breakfast for the 2 of us with the drink and this. Maybe need a little bit more food, but probably not. I think I'm good. It's a good start to the day. I'm probably only hungry because of the flight last night. But, so about $5.50, $5.60 US. When they tell you it's like $200, you're like, holy crap! I'm like 180. I was like, oh no. And I realized it's Taiwan. Exchange rate's about 33. Let me taste my first bite. Very good. She uses pre-made tortillas. She doesn't make them at home. Still good, just different.
Okay, breakfast is done. Very good starts for a day.
Want some video?
Yep, you need to work.
You got this.